Jessica and Tom. Today, the question is, tell me something about your father. So, who will tell me first? I will go first. My father's name is John Davis. He works at Johnson Company. He is a hardworking and honest person. He is very cheerful and helpful. He wakes up at 5 in the morning. He takes a shower, eats breakfast, and leaves for work at 9 o'clock. He comes back home around 6 in the evening. He likes to eat chicken with some rice. He likes to watch horror and comedy movies. His favorite horror movies are 1920, The Ring, and Raj. He likes to wear pant and shirt. He does not like to watch cricket and he does not like to tell a lie. And that's all about my father. Now it's my turn. My father's name is David. He works for American Bank. He is an ambitious and hardworking person. He is very humble and caring. He wakes up at 6 in the morning. He takes a bath, has breakfast at 7:30 and leaves for work. He starts work at 8:30 and he finishes work at 6 in the evening. He likes to eat kadai paneer with some chapatis. He likes to watch news on TV. He likes to listen to old songs. He does not like to play games on mobile. Sometimes he is very funny. And that's all about my father. Thank you. Both of you did a great job. Well done, guys.